One prompt, 30 seconds, 3 completely different worlds, all in one continuous video. No stitching together multiple 10 or 15-second clips. That's one of the biggest things Seedance 2.5 can now do inside Lumina AI. In this video, I'm putting Seedance 2.5 to the test with a full 30-second generation, precise video editing, multiple reference assets, and multilingual dialogue, all while checking how well it maintains consistency. I'll also show you how the 3D Director's Studio works, where you can build a rough scene, control the camera and composition, and turn it into a cinematic shot. And finally, we'll test the developer API. Stay until the end, because some of these results were much better than I expected. Before we start testing Seedance 2.5, let me quickly show you Lumina itself. Lumina is BytePlus AI creation platform. You can access all advanced image and video generation models through the link in the description. New users can also receive free generation credits, so you can start testing it without paying up front. The interface is simple. Inside the video section, you'll find the Seedance models, along with tools for freestyle creation, multi-frame editing, image to video, text to video, video editing, extend video, and main body reference. But features are one thing. The real question is how well Seedance 2.5 actually performs. So let's start with the 30-second generation from one prompt. So I gave it a detailed prompt describing the character, 3 environments, portals, and camera movement, then asked for one continuous shot with no cuts while keeping her identity and outfit consistent. I described the and here's the result. She starts in a rainy, neon-lit street, walks through a portal into an ancient temple, and then enters an underwater coral reef through another portal. What impressed me most was the consistency. Her olive jacket, black pants, white sneakers, hairstyle, and overall appearance stayed almost exactly the same across all 3 environments. The consistency was impressive. But what if I only want to change one small detail without ruining the rest? Let's test precise editing. In Lumina's video editing workflow, you can upload an existing clip and describe the exact change you want. For this test, I uploaded the 30-second video we just created and asked Seedance 2.5 to change only her jacket from olive green to red, while leaving everything else untouched. And that's exactly what happened. The jacket changed while the rest of the shot stayed intact. Next, I replaced only the neon alley with a desert canyon, keeping everything else consistent. Again, the targeted change worked without breaking the rest of the shot. That worked well. Now let's make things harder. What happens when Seedance has to follow multiple references at the same time? It supports up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio clips. For this test, I'm uploading references for the girl, her boyfriend, the greenhouse, the color style, the glowing insect, the robotic cat, the watering drone, the bird, and the big plant. The girl calmly touches a floating light, and her boyfriend tries to copy her. He grabs the insect by mistake, panics, hits the drone, and falls straight into the plant. And the result is impressive. Seedance 2.5 used every reference correctly, without mixing up the characters, the objects, or the visual style. It handled the references well, but visuals are only part of the challenge. What happens when the same character starts speaking different languages? I am not going to test all 10 in one video. So for this test, I picked 5: English, Hindi, Spanish, Portuguese, and Korean. I used the same greenhouse scene as reference, keeping the characters, outfits, and overall look consistent while the girl turns toward the camera, points at her boyfriend still stuck in the plant, and delivers the dialogue in each of the 5 test languages. And watch.
Unlike this idiot, don't waste your time. Like and subscribe to Ninja Tech. इस बेवकूफ की तरह अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Ninja Tech को like और subscribe करो. No pierdas el tiempo como este idiota. Dale like y suscríbete a Ninja Tech. No pierdas el tiempo como este idiota. Cursa y inscríbase no Ninja Tech. 이 바보처럼 시간을 낭비하지 마세요. Ninja Tech에 좋아요를 누르고 구독해주세요.
The results are pretty solid. The scene stays consistent, pronunciation is clear, and the lip sync looks surprisingly natural. And again, these are 5 of the 10 supported languages. And here is a bonus feature for those who have subscribed to Ninja Tech. With normal prompting, you're still describing the camera with words. What if you could actually control it yourself? With 3D Director's Studio, you can build a rough scene, position the subject, control the camera and framing, then you can turn it into a cinematic shot. You can also adjust the subject, camera angle, framing, or movement and generate a new version. So instead of just prompting, you're actually directing and refining the shot visually. That gives creators much more control. But what if you want to use Seedance 2.5 inside your own app or automated workflow? That's where the API comes in. Using the link in the description, open the ModelArk console and sign in. From there, head over to the API playground and select Seedance 2.5 as your model. Next, generate your API key. The request runs as a background job, so it may take a moment to process. Once it's ready, your key will appear. Simply copy it. And if you want to integrate Seedance 2.5 directly into your own app or workflow, you can also generate the ready-to-use code from here. Once it's ready, you can retrieve the result and use it inside your own app or automated workflow. So Lumina is great for hands-on creation, while BytePlus is better for larger or automated systems. And after testing both sides, the real question is, how good is Seedance 2.5 overall? After all these tests, the 30-second generation, precise editing, reference control, and 3D Studio impressed me most. If you want to try Seedance 2.5, the Lumina link is in the description and pinned comment. You can also get up to 50% off monthly plans and up to 7 free minutes of 480p generation. Developers can access it through BytePlus as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.